Hello everybody. Today I'm going to talk about naming different kinds of compounds. So first there's an ionic compound without a transitional metal. So ionic compounds are found when a metal gives up its electrons to a nonmetal, which basically means if the compound has a metal, it's going to be an ionic compound. But there are different sets of rules for transitional metals. And a transitional metal is any element that has the atomic number from 21 to 30, 39 to 48, and 57 to 80. So for a compound with any other metals, this is what you would want to do. So first, the metal's ion name does not change regardless of charge. So for example, if you had AlCl3, it would be aluminum chloride. Or if you had Na2S, it would be sodium sulfide, even though there's a 2 after the sodium. Then the nonmetal's name ends in "ide," so no matter what. So if you had K2O, it would be potassium oxide, and if you had MgH2, it would be magnesium hydride. Alright, now the next part is covalent compounds. And when you have a covalent compound, you're going to use the prefixes mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, which are going to stand for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 numbers of atoms respectively. So if you had N2O5, the name for that would be dinitrogen pentoxide, since you have 2 nitrogen atoms and 5 oxygen atoms. If you had PCl3, you would have phosphorus trichloride. Alright, thank you.
This is a demonstration of flip for Mac.
Oxidation is the loss of electrons or an increase in the oxidation number by molecules, atoms, or ions. Reduction is the gain of electrons or a decrease in oxidation numbers by molecules, atoms, or ions. In other words, oxidation is when an oxygen atom is gained as a result of a reaction, and reduction is when an oxygen atom is lost.
This is a demonstration of flip for Mac.
Sup, Cubs? I'm gonna talk about some bases and acids. If something's basic, it's gonna have a pH level greater than 7, and if something's acidic, then it's gonna have a pH level less than 7. The definition of an acid is a substance which, when added to water, produces hydrogen ions, and the definition to a base is a substance which, when added to water, produces hydroxide ions.
It's 7 o'clock.
And some properties of acids are they react with zinc, magnesium, or aluminum to form hydrogen, and they turn litmus red, and they taste sour, and you can find acids in lemons or other citric fruits. Bases have a more soapy or slippery feel to them, and they turn litmus blue, and they taste bitter like soap. All right.